war is on. The arms is ringing out. Jesus needs volunteers who are ready to enlist, to endure hardness, and to press the button to the very citadel of evil until all sin is forever put down. He who wears the uniform but spends much of his time on a stockade or owl is a different liability. He aids the cause of the enemy. On the other hand, a good soldier is loyal and dedicated. He is neither a shirker nor a quitter. He is in the fight to stay until the final victory. He is striving to be not the minimal but a maximal soldier. Soldiering is not a sideline. It is his life, his full-time occupation. Jesus said to the 11, "Ye have not chosen me, but I have chosen you." He chose them and their lives were transformed. He chooses us and our lives too are changed. Just as one is not an official soldier until he is tested, checked, and accepted, so it is with Christ and his followers. Many have accepted Christ only to continue in their worldly ways and sinful pursuits. When he chooses us, he also chooses our lifestyle, goal, and purposes. One notable contrast between Philippines and Christ in choosing their soldier is this. The government seeks only the finest to be soldier. Christ not only seeks that kind, he also chooses the weak, the foolish, the base, lest men should glory. Involvement which would hinder the Christian soldier effectiveness must go. The order is still set. Seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness. Fiancé, wife, children, business. Nothing can be allowed to stand between the warriors and his duty. His whole heart is in the cause. His will is absorbed in the will of his commander, and his purpose is accomplished until he makes the approbation. In an army, it is contemplated that there shall be but one mind, one heart, one purpose, that of the commander. The Christian orders come from above, and even though it may mean enduring hardness, he is fully set to obey. Whatever discomfort and sacrifice may be required now, fade into oblivion as he anticipates the joy that's set before him when the campaign is ended.